In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Altimeter on an Apple Watch. Check Altimeter with the Compass app. On your Apple Watch, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to open this Compass app. And in here, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see your current elevation in feet or meters. So we can see the 60 feet elevation. And you will also see incline or decline if you're moving uphill or downhill. And to change your elevation, you can just tap on this info button at the top left. In here, scroll down and tap on clear target, and then tap on set target alert under elevation, and then you can just go ahead and select a target. So I'm selecting here 300 feet for example, and 364 feet below current elevation. I'm tapping on done and going back, and that's how you can actually use Altimeter on Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.